Welcome again to ASOC Tutorials India, and today's session is magnetism. So watch carefully. This is session 1, describe 5. And today's technical and demo support is by Mr. Manoj Kumar Mishra, VG to TCT from National Bal Bhavan. Magnet you may found everywhere. As a speaker you can listen audio, as an earphone you are listening music, and it have some properties like charge repels and unlike charge attracts, and even magnets have a property to separate small iron filings from non-iron filings. It can separate easily, and same way it have a property which always shows as a one side towards north. This is rotating because magnet is nearby. Compass have property which always shows towards north direction. You can see motor etc., which I am going to discuss details in when AC fundamental will come. One of the example using magnet, you can see this is a windfall, how this coil is rotating in the magnets, and this light is coming out, and you may see the power, and this is the magnet rotating in a coil, and this is due to fan. So this is the one example how we can generate electricity from the magnets. So what is magnetic? Actually the name lodestone is given to a natural occurring one of the iron. Magnetic means leading stone and a thin long piece of magnet. When suspended freely, pointed in the north-south direction, you can see image, of course demo also will be shown. A similar effect was observed when it was placed on a piece of cork, which was then allowed to float in still water. Magnetism. This is also associated with the magnetic fields which arise from the motion of electric charge. You can see a magnet and our surrounding bars. This motion can take many forms. It can be electrical current in a conductor or charged particles moving through space, or it can be the motion of electrons in an atomic orbital. Magnetism is also associated with the elementary particles such as the electrons. Now coming to the characteristics of a magnetic. First is attractive property. The magnet proves that the magnetic strength at the end of this poles is very strong and in middle it is poor. Directive property. The magnet helps to understand which pole of the magnet is north and south by suspending the magnet in mid-air or keeping in water. It shows the direction towards north-south. Law of magnetic poles. Like poles repels while unlike poles attracts. Pair property. When a magnet is cut into two pieces, both the pieces will have north pole and the south poles. Test of magnetism. The test is conducted to check if the given rod is magnetized or not by checking either the attraction or the repulsion of the iron rod and the magnets. There are several type magnets. First is the permanent magnet. Permanent magnets are those magnets, they are commonly used, they are known as permanent magnet because they do not lose their magnetic property once they are magnetized by a huge current. Some of the materials like ceramic or ferrite, alnico, samarium cobalt, SMCO, they are some of the example of permanent magnets materials. And second one is temporary magnet. They are name given because they are temporary magnet, and temporary magnet can be magnetized in the presence of magnetic field. Once the magnetic field gone, magnetic property will also go. So examples are iron nails and paper clips are example of temporary magnets. Now coming to the electromagnets. Electromagnet consists of a coil of wire wrapped around the metal core made from the iron. When the material is exposed to an electric current, the magnetic field is generated, making the material behave like a magnet. The strength of magnetic field can be controlled by controlling the magnetic current. Same way, we can generate current also, or by giving a electricity to a coil, we can rotate. This demo I will show you, but this topic will be covered some other time. The term coils is very important. I am going to discuss later. in next topic. First, coming to magnetic field and magnetic force. Magnetic field is the area around a magnet in which there is a magnetic force. See the image. Moving electrical charge can make magnetic fields. Magnetic field can illustrated by magnetic flux lines. You can see the diagram. At all time, the direction of magnetic field is shown by the direction of the magnetic flux lines by arrows. You can see the arrows going from one terminal to second terminal. The strength of a magnet has to do with the space between magnetic flux lines. Remember it. The closer the flux lines are to each other, the stronger the magnet is. The further away flux lines are, the weaker the magnet is. Just this property remember. The flux lines can be seen by placing iron filling over a magnet. The iron fillings move and arrange itself into the lines. Magnetic field gives power to the other particles that are touching the magnetic fields. A magnetic dipole, this is very important term, is the limit of either a closed loop of electrical current or a pair of poles at the size of the source when it is reduced to zero while keeping the magnetic moment constant. Moreover, one form magnetic dipole moment is associated with the fundamental quantum property, the spin of elementary particles. This one details I am not going to study because this one as per ASUC exam not required, and this is just a brief summary only, and only awareness view is enough to you. The magnetic field due to this diagram I am showing you but not going in details. The magnetic field is a field that passes through space and which makes a magnetic force move electrical charges and magnetic dipoles. And magnetic dipoles are around electrical current, magnetic dipoles and charging electrical fields. The magnetic field is measured in the unit of Tesla. This is SI unit, and Gauss, this is CZI unit. This unit is very important for examination. Magnets in the industrial use. Magnet mainly composed of neodymium, iron, cobalt, nickel and other element is a substance that can generate a magnetic field. At present, magnets are widely used in the medical field due to the excellent physical and chemical properties. They are used in constructing materials, needles and Marian's compass. Permanent magnets find application in generators, electrical accelerators, electrical motor, etc. They are also used in separation of iron filling from other solid mixture for separating irons. Electromagnets find application in speakers, earphones, electrical bells, motors, electrical cranes, solenoid valves for stopping water, etc., which you can see surrounding to you. If you visit a mall, you will find in bathroom there are automatic taps, automatic lights, so many magnetic switches are there, sensors are there, so many fields are there. This one I am not going to discuss because topic is magnet, so I am continuing on magnets. They are using in mining industry also for separating metal from the ore. Food manufacturers, they used to prevent small iron particle if they are mixing with the food as a precautionary. Similar vendors are using magnets to separate coins from other junks. Magnets are used to make a tight seal on the doors of refrigerators and freezers. There are some of the uses. The power speaker in stereo, you enjoy to listen, earphone and television audio system. They are also used. But when it comes to the medical electronics, magnets are used in store data in computers and in important scanning machine called MRI, magnetic resonance images, which doctors use to look inside people's bodies. MRI topic, I think it is I will cover some other time as a technology trend. So just giving idea only, but giving independent video also in the future under technology trends. So this is also example. Wind turbine which generate the power from rotating coil. It is a structure that converts wind power into rotating energy, or in simple word it converts kinetic energy to electrical energy. This is a very interesting part. So this one also very important part of that magnets. So this is the basic awareness of magnets. Thank you very much. I hope this basic magnetic concepts are easy and clear to you. This my topic is continue. Next session will be on AC fundamentals. Thank you.